Happy National Ceiling Fan Day to all of you guys. I will be uploading this video on September 19th instead of September 18th because it's super late. And I will be uploading the other video later. So yeah, fans of my mom's house. Like I said, I got a new fan. Yeah. I'll just go recap through the speeds. This is downdraft, by the way. Yeah, not too special. And I gotta hurry because my phone battery is at 4%. Hold on, no. Gotta have this thing on low. Surprise for you guys. This fan. Anyways, we'll go to the next fan. Alright, here's the Zephyr. I'll demonstrate the other speeds. It's the light off. I had to put the camera down so that you guys didn't get to see the surprise. And hi.
Alright, it's PJ time, dude.
Okay, I'll do that later.
What kind of cereal you want?
Oh, say hello.
Oh, hello.
Here's hi anyways. Put that back down.
You want Reese's Pieces?
No, thank you.
He's trying to record his National Ceiling Fan Day video, Chad.
Well, yeah. Happy National Ceiling Fan Day, Vincent.
Alright. There's the new fan right here. Can Fenmore.
Oh, that's a nice fan.
Alright. Here's medium. This fan is a bit noisy. Same with my bedroom fan. All the fans here are a little bit noisy. And there's my sister. Oh, she looks cool.
Wearing your sunglasses at night.
And before you come up, can you put those clothes in your dirty clothes hamper, please?
And here's hi.
Whip them off in the middle of the floor.
You want some cereal? You have some cereal for yourself? Or do you want to
Woo.
do you want to say anything to the boys?
Wow, that looks like it's flickering. Anyways, I'll do reverse for you real quickly because my battery is now only at 3%.
Oh my goodness. You want this kind, Ellie?
Oh.
Or Ellie?
Here's reverse.
Ellie. Which kind?
I'll give this a kickstart. Here's low, medium. Don't forget, this is getting uploaded on the 19th. That'll be tomorrow. There's High Draft anyways. Anyways, get this thing to stop. Anyways, this fan won't be on for this video. I guess I'll just get this. I'll just do low on it. It's a couple portable fans. Show you the portable fans real quickly. Oh yeah, and there's also an Eco fan right here. There's an Eco fan right here. There are quite a few portable fans in my room. Pardon me. Anyways, this bad boy, 4-speed. This clip thing, 3-speed. And yeah, I'm not gonna. That's pretty well it. And once again, I'm uploading this on the 19th. So yeah.